Okay guys, we're back again with another owlcrate unboxing.
What to do, baby?
So guys, we're just here with another unboxing today of owlcrate. Got Kira here, obviously, and there's really not much else to it, so let's just get right on into it. Okay, so this is titled Tales of Trickery. Oh, don't look at the spoiler card.
Sorry.
Oh, so I actually heard about these, and I'm kind of bummed because they're about Caraval.
Wait, they're not big enough.
I told you they come from the back.
Where?
They're inspired by Caraval, but
How are these inspired by Caraval?
why do I look like Princess? You look like Princess Leia.
Oh my gosh, hey.
Like, here's the thing. I just don't know when I'll ever. I'm bummed. I was really excited for something by Caraval, and I got this instead.
How are these inspired by Caraval?
Because it says the Caraval Rose earmuffs. Caraval Rose earmuffs.
Ooh.
Ooh.
We love candles. Oh, it's a wood wick. But I'm not sure if I like the scent.
Fire and cinnamon chai. I like it.
You know what? Yeah, I like it better.
It's Novelly Yours candles, and it's called Mount Ruin. I don't know what this is by, but I think it's for Crown of Feathers. We're just spoiling everything for ourselves by looking at this.
It's inspired by
Grace and Fury. I've actually wanted to read that. I've heard great things about it.
Oh, stop, do you see that there's colored pencils in these?
Colored pencils!
Wait.
It's not inspired by anything, which is good because I've actually been wanting some colored pencils.
Well, I just bought some for Kennedy, so now we'll have more at the house.
We got these cool colored pencils, and I think they say things on them. One more chapter. Owlcrate.
Ooh la la.
Oh, a hand warmer.
This,
Ooh, this will be
so nice.
Ooh.
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 Oh, wait.
Wait. Oh, yeah. I got that too.
Oh, no. So your hands don't go in it?
I don't know. Is this a pouch for the hand warmer? Probably. Oh, yeah, it is.
To recharge, I was going to say, I know you have to boil them to recharge it. So it's just one?
Just one.
It's so cool. But
this is the pouch.
Do you want to snap yours? It's so cool.
Wait, I had one of these like a really long time ago. I think it was when I was like in college, like when I was 18.
Well, that's when you got up at like 4 in the morning and drove.
Yeah, I drove an hour.
Wait, can you snap yours? I don't want to snap mine.
Why do I want to snap mine?
It's so cool. Try it. It's so cool. See? Wait, can
they see what it's doing?
But it gets, I was going to say instantly gets hard. It really does work.
Of course, I have to waste mine, Kira. Yeah, this does work, and I think it's inspired by Sky in the Deep. I've never read that either.
The pin's pretty cool.
The pin is really cool. It looks like a castle.
Yeah. Is this based off the book too?
Yeah, it's based off the book, I think. Usually.
You know what though? This makes sense. This makes sense. Because I read the book.
This never focuses for me. Oh, there it goes. It's focused. And it's got glitter on it. It's cute.
Very nice.
So the next thing, I also got spoiled on Instagram. Somebody put on their story. I'm kind of bummed about it because this is actually kind of a disappointing read for me.
It's a book bag?
But it's a book sleeve, which I was really excited for. So like if you're traveling, you can like just throw your book in here and like put it in your suitcase or your backpack, okay, so that it doesn't get ruined.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
It's not ugly either. Like it's not ugly.
It's not like I'm you know walking down the runway with this.
But. Yeah, but would you walk down the runway with a book?
Yeah. But
it's a quote from Sorcery of Thorns. I'm sorry, I don't know if I ever said this. It was always wise to be polite to books, whether or not they could hear you. So actually, even though it wasn't a bad book, I just didn't vibe with it. And
me either.
What?
Me either.
We didn't read it.
Okay, I read half of the book. And
you read half of Sorcery of Thorns?
Yeah, I wasn't vibing with it.
So, but it's actually a really good quote because it's cute, like about books.
Well,
you know what I mean?
I really liked what they had to say about the book. Like,
yeah, I feel the same way.
I like the depth of like, oh, books are really important.
Yeah, books are like sentient creatures. They have thoughts and feelings.
I just didn't think it would I just didn't captivate me.
Ooh, when are we coloring, Kira? Oh, Gilded Wolves? Oh, shut up, Kira. This is like all the books that they've given us. So
dope.
we weren't a member when it was the Gilded Wolves.
Do I know that and I didn't have it read yet?
Yeah, because you were already a member, I think, at that point. And then,
oh, cool.
Wait, Kira, you read this book. And I just read it.
It's the,
Crown of Feathers.
Crown of Feathers.
And then this was the first month I joined, which was 4 Dead Queens. Still haven't read that. This was Wicked Saints. Love Wicked Saints. This was We Hunt the Flame, Child of the Library, which was actually my favorite pin of the year, even though, because it has a cat on it, even though it was from Sorcery Thoughts. Actually, maybe it's my second favorite pin of the year. Anyways, it's cool. This is like recapping everything.
Is this one we didn't?
Yeah, that's one we skipped because it was like 2 contemporary books, and I'm like, I don't want to spend money on contemporary.
Yeah, that ain't us.
And then the last thing is, I actually see it right now. It's actually a book Kira read just a little bit ago, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. I just read this book, and this copy is way cooler.
Is it?
Than the other one.
This is so pretty. The dark colors.
It is. The other one's purple.
The Guinevere Deception.
And I always called her Guinevere because I don't know how to read.
The Guinevere Deception. This is like a gender. Ooh. 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 So this is like a gender bent retelling of King Arthur. And I've heard really good things about it actually on Twitter. A lot of people have liked it. And it's not overly long. It's like 340 pages, which I can really appreciate.
It's really good. I'll say the only thing that was hard for me is I had a hard time.
It's like
connecting,
silvery metallic.
Sometimes connecting with the main character because the girl. Okay, it's good. Read it, you'll really like it. But I think if you read it, you'll understand what I'm saying. Where the main character is like fighting with her feelings because she doesn't like know who she is yet. And I feel like I was just very Alexis right here.
Alexis from Shit's Creek. You did that in our last owlcrate video too. So this cover's really cool, not only because it's green, but also like the crown and like the stuff down here. It's like metallic-y silver, like foiled.
It's cool. I will say that the little plot twist too, you don't really see you don't see coming. You kind of do, but at the same time you don't. So. And
then obviously you get a little note from the author as per usual. The theme of January box is vengeance will be mine. Oh, you'll get another mug. I actually have the Goblet of Fire mug.
I use my mug for
the Queen of Nothing mug.
Yeah, for my brushes.
Me too. Mine's on my.
And I actually wanted another one because I was like, oh, I need to do one for like my other.
Well, this one will be themed Harry Potter. It says on there. Look at the difference between the.
That's what I'm saying. I mean,
it's like really cool. Like it's like purpley, but this one is just so much cooler.
The other book is like. It's cool as well, but I like the green thing.
Yeah.
I feel like it portrays...
The owlcrate edition.
I feel like it just portrays...
The book?
The book because half of the book is like... It's in the wilderness and it's all about her and nature.
Okay.
So I think this portrays it a lot better than just the regular one.
I'm really here for that. Is this my favorite box? No. No. But the candle... I'm really disappointed. When I saw something was inspired by Caraval, I was like so pumped.
I mean, maybe I'll use these when I'm scraping my car off in the morning.
Maybe just keep them in the car.
But like, here, do you guys want to?
So cute. Fashion model. I do really like this though. The colored pencils.
I think it's a cute little touch.
The hand warmer's cool.
You may use it. You have to boil it.
It's still hot, by the way. Okay, well, I'll boil it. And even though I didn't love Sorcery of Thorns, personally, I do really like the book sleeve because I do travel a lot, actually. And I don't like putting my hardcovers just like in my backpack, even though I have to.
I know I'm gonna ruin it.
But like, I know that the edge is gonna get ruined or like some papers will, so something like this will for sure come in handy for me. And I think the book is stunning. Do you think the book is stunning?
Yeah, I very much like this book.
So the hand warmer is designed by Kit Kronk Studio. Kronk? And it is by Sky in the Deep. The wood wick candle is inspired by Grace and Fury, and it is handmade by Novelly Yours. owlcrate made the earmuff, so it's not done by anyone other than owlcrate. The book sleeve was done by Chatty Nora. Coloring book is owlcrate, colored pencils is owlcrate, and the book is The Guinevere Deception by Kristen White. If you like that book though, you should read And I Darken. It's also by her, and Majel and Katie, they both love it.
Is it like another kind of like
retelling? Yes, it's a gender bent retelling of Vlad the Impaler.
What the heck is that?
I don't really know either. I don't really know either.
You said it with so much confidence. I was like,
it's because I've heard them both. It's because I've heard them both talk about it a lot.
Okay, okay. I really like this. It's really nice.
You stoked?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. Well, this box gets a 3.5 out of 5 stars.
Yeah.
3.5, maybe 3.
Yeah, because to be honest.
Honestly, to be honest,
Guys. You know what? I get it. I would say about 3.5.
yeah, it's like good. It's just not my favorite.
Yeah.
It's not like the last couple ones have been freaking.
Those ones
dank.
have been really nice.
Those have been dope. Like the Queen of Nothing one, and the November box, and then like the last couple boxes before that, I feel like have been pretty killer.
But this postcard is making me excited for the next one.
I am really excited for that too.
Do you know what it is already? I'm surprised you.
Yeah, I know what the book is already. I just know by the description, because I researched upcoming books and it comes out in January, and I'm actually really excited for it. So if that makes you happy. But I have the Kendra mug from Gobble to Fire, because I think it came like 3 months ago in an owlcrate. It's a really cool mug. I'll show you what it looks like. But the next one is, so I have Gobble to Fire, the next one, Order of Phoenix, so the 5th book.
Ooh.
So it'll look really cool. I'm really excited. But that's gonna be it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to stick around for next month's owlcrate unboxing, which will always be done by yours truly and yours other truly, Kira. And check me out on my social medias if you want to see what I'm up to on a day-to-day basis. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new here.
And like.
And like.
We say
yeah. Oh yeah, we do.
Please like.
Please like. And also, thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for giving us your time.
Yeah, have a great morning, noon, evening, day, night, wherever it is that you're watching this. And I will see you in the next video.
Mwah.
Bye.
Bye.